Hello, welcome to Right Here, Right Now, brought to you by Gatsby GH, your girl next door, Ifyarai. Today, the sixth family who were killed by a 19-year-old in Ottawa, Canada, on 6th of March, has been laid to rest. It was a very sombering moment in the Infinity Convention Center in Ottawa when a multi-faith based approach came together to do a service, to do a memorial service for the family whose life were taken away aimlessly, senselessly. 6 people slain to death. A 19-year-old who was living with the family. The family consists of a mother, 35, a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and I think a 3-year-old, and then a 2.5-month-old. So the mother, 3 kids, and then a 40-year-old man who was living with them, a family friend who was also living with them, who, as the family had just recently moved from Sri Lanka to here, they had their last baby in Canada. The other person, the 40-year-old Gamini Amarakun, who was also visiting, lived with the family. The 19-year-old is believed to be an international student who also lived in the same house. He is the one who just woke up one morning and decided to go on a killing spree. Killed all 6 people with a knife. The husband, who apparently was also part. One story says he was at work, but then the other story says that he was also part of it and was injured. He survived. Today they lay them all to rest in perfect peace. This is one of the most saddest times that will be etched, or saddest memories that will be etched in the Sri Lankan community of Canada for many, many years to come. In fact, it's one of the saddest moments in Ottawa's history as well. One family, 5 members from one family, including a 2.5-year-old, knifed to death. It's never happened. Never heard of this before in any part of the world. I don't know what came before this 19-year-old to cause this atrocity. Somebody that the family had actually sent to Canada to complete education. I mean, it speaks to mental illness. We should take mental illness seriously. I don't know what is going on, but this is not normal. This is not right. This is not normal. May their innocent and their gentle souls rest in peace, and may the family find comfort from their maker. God bless you. Thank you for watching.